and it wasn't easy to. I can't explain, it's just the way I'm feeling. Another habit to break, not so easy to save. I can't believe the words I've been hearing. Oh, I remember how we passed the time, and in that sweet surrender, they don't know you like I do. We are who we were when we were young and just pretending. No care for circumstances, unmarked or romances. We still take shots without fear. We live right here, but no matter how far we go, I won't ever let us fall out. Just take
It doesn't matter how old you are or what shape you're in. My job as a trainer is to help you to be the best that you can be.